Hey, good morning, y'all. This morning I'm at the Robert S. Kerr Lock and Dam 15 on the Arkansas River. About to get some bait in the water, see if I can catch me a catfish or two. Y'all stick around, fish with me for a little while. Alrighty, y'all, here we go. They got some water moving out there, but we're on the lock side, so we ain't really in no current. I'd be lying if I told you how deep it was out there, but you know, barges come through here. It's it's deep enough for that. But I figure it's about 10 foot, 8 or 10 foot deep. It is, it was really warm when we got up this morning. 65 degrees, supposed to get up to 80 today. I'm already ready to get this hoodie off I've got on. But, well, I've seen some pictures people's been posting. They've been catching some fish down here. I don't fish at the dam a lot. It usually gets too crowded for me, but it's Friday, so I'm hoping I won't get too crowded. But, all right, y'all, we're going to, I got 2 more baits to get in the water. We're going to give this a little time, see if we catch a fish or 2. All right, we got that bait in the water. We're gonna see how we do. Oh, come on. Oh, now that one over there just got hit. There it goes. Shoot, it's down, y'all. Ooh, got this one. Now we got this one. This other one's slack over here. Gotta walk all the way down here and get him. You ain't big enough for all this trouble. I ain't gonna complain, we'll take him. Pretty blue. Oh, give me my hook, blue. There we go. There he is. Little feller. Good eating, ain't he? Good eating size, anyway. All right. There you go, buddy. All right. Oh, shoot, there goes that one. I don't know how I missed that, but I sure did. Well, I got off the phone with Laney's mama. Laney's very upset because she wants to be fishing with Daddy. Well, I told her, I said, oh, I'm not catching anything anyway, so I'll meet y'all up here at this store because she can't get down here in her car. Because I hadn't been getting any bites. Well, as soon as I did that, I caught that one fish. And then I just missed one that had my handle up off the ground. It had, you know, it's probably a gar. Y'all know me, that's what I'm gonna blame it on. But if this keeps up, I'll probably go up there and get her, but then I'll probably come right back here. But ain't that how it goes? Wasn't catching nothing until I made other plans, and then boom. Oh, got him. Yeah, buddy. I hadn't been out there very long. And we got him. He's gonna run right up here to us. Yep. Come here, little buddy. Oh, we got you. There he is. All right. There he is, little feller. Let's put him back. Oh, there you go, buddy. He was ready to go. He got up and went. Alright, y'all, well, I'm going to reel up real quick and go get Laney, or Mama's going to meet me down the road. I mean, I've got 3 older daughters. They're all in their 20s. And when your little girl wants to spend time with her daddy, you spend time with her. But she's going to hit an age where she don't want to spend no time with daddy. Daddy's the biggest dummy in the world. But they come back around. So anyway, I'm gonna go pick her up and we'll be right back here. Alright, y'all, well, we're back. We had to get us a drink and a Slim Jim, and Laney's found her some sand to play in. She's gonna have to move though in a minute, because that's where all my rods are gonna be. There's more back here though. But anyway, we're gonna get this bait back in the water, see if we can catch a few more. I think he's got it, y'all. Ooh, we got him. Laney's having a time in this sand, y'all. Let's get down here and get him. He fooled with it long enough. I'm glad we got him. Laney, you need to stay up here, baby. You'll fall in the river. She's super smart, y'all. She really wants to walk down here, but it's a little dangerous. Heck, I'm nervous walking down here. Oh, come here, buddy. There he is. And that's number 3 for the day. Look at there. Caught me. All right, there he goes. All right, y'all. Well, the catfish bite never did get real good. We caught a few, but we met some people a while ago, made some new friends, people who watch the channel, and they were down here and they had caught a few sand bass. So before we get out of here, we're going to jump down there and see if we can catch a few. Y'all come down there with us. All right, well, the catfish never really got real good. We caught a few. Let's try, see what we can find out here. I felt a few bumps that time. That's a little sign of life. Oh, there we go. There's one. Laney, oh, there he went. He ain't very big, but we got him. See him?
Yeah. Hold him.
Yeah, get him by the mouth. Those fins will poke you. Okay, now you got him?
Yeah.
Turn him loose.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Good job. Let's try to get another one. Uh-oh. You okay? She crashed. crash and burn. Yep. Do you do? I don't know. Oh, there's another one. Well, these are little guys. Laney, did you wipe out again? Hey, look, we got another one. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Your favorite? Yeah, you want to throw him back? I think that's a little striper, ain't it?
It has stripes.
Throw him back. He's got stripes. We'll just say that.
2, 3, 1.
2, 3, 1. What? Chunk him in there. There he goes. All right. Well, I keep wanting one to get bigger, but we're having fun. Laney's enjoying herself. Okay, back up now. I finally snagged that line. Let's see what's on the end of it. We got a hook. Yeah, jackpot. 4-ounce weight. That's the kind I use. There we go. Catch of the day. Way it looks, it's the best thing we've caught today, y'all, but I'll take that. That's $1. Oh, shoot. Get back, you little rascal. You do? Well, not that far.
No, not that far. This far.
Back up. Alright, y'all, well, we're going to call it a day. We didn't exactly tear the fish up. But Laney's messed up 2 suits of clothes. Oh, and I caught a sinker. That's $1, y'all. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit subscribe. Thank y'all. Get out of there.